Hello everyone, this is Business Plus on your way today again. Guys, today I have come with another wonderful strategy. Okay, guys. I'm not gonna waste your time in this video. I'm just gonna show you the setup, okay? So it's nothing much. It's nothing much, very simple. But before I do that, for demonstration purposes, alright, I'm gonna show you what's happening here on a demo account. Okay, for demonstration purposes. So guys, let me go for a sell. Then after that, I will be explaining to you exactly what I was doing. To assume you should not just be scared. So you have a sell, a sell. All right. So for how long do you want to hold this trade? That should be your question number one. For how long do you want to hold this trade? Okay. Now, as you can see, we have a downtrend movement. All right, with this, okay, is a downtrend on M30. Now let's go to H1. You see, overall everything is downtrend. Okay, as you can see. Then let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Is downtrend. 5 is downtrend, and as you can see, if we should draw the resistance, you see it's selling, so it's downtrend. So in this video we're not gonna trade against the spike or trade against the trend. All right, but the number one thing I just want you guys to figure out in this video is that we spot that this is a downtrend. Okay, that's the number one thing. Then the second thing you need to do is let's go to time frame M1. Then how long do you want to hold this trade? That's a question. How long do you want to hold this trade? Okay, so you might be a scalper that wish to hold a trade for, let me say, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes. All right, so now let me quickly show you something here. It doesn't matter the zoom level that you are, but for me, I have zoomed in, all right, to the last. Then let me show you something here. You see, we have the triple top here. Okay, so now when we have a triple top here, the next thing we do is we go for a sell at the very third top. All right, we have a confirmation at the first one here. We have a confirmation, another confirmation at the top here, which is second. Then for the third one, we're gonna go straight down. All right, now we're picking a trade from 90 or almost 90. Probably you can set it to 80. All right, then it's below 50, and when it gets 20 or 10, when it gets 20 or 10, I'm gonna close this trade. All right, so let me quickly show you the setup for this. Now when we click on the F symbol at the top of the screen, then you see relative strength index, just one indicator with powerful strategy. And there it's also another one beautiful thing that I'm gonna show you after the setup. You see here we have the period. Under the parameters, we have the period, which is 6. We have apply to close. We have the star, which is just 2 pieces, depending on the color you want the line of the RSI to appear in. All right, then we have the levels. When you just click on the princess sign here, you can add the levels here. Okay, you can add the levels here. You can twist, or you can change this, which we have 20, 50, and 90. Then you can set changes to 10 if you want it to go below very well, or you just want to, the 50 is just 50. It's just an average. All right, the 90 can be 80 or 70 depending, but for me I like using 20 or 10 and 90. Then 50 will also be 50. After, when you're done with this, then you come, then boom, we have this here. All right, if you're a scalper, you see it has been going down for a while, for more than 1 2 3 minutes now. Okay, you see it has been going down 1 2 3 4. You see, this is huge. All right, this is huge. Now even if you have a spike against you, the spike will not be too long. Why? Because it's on downtrend already. All right, it's on downtrend already. And one more thing that I'm going to show you, is on boom 500 index. Let me show you this. Now you can see on boom 500 index here, you see we have minus 0.79%. Minus 0.79% on Boom 500 index, which is telling us that it's selling. All right, it's selling. Okay, so now when you check that off Boom 1000 index, you can see it's buying. You can look at the percentage, which is 2.09%. So that's buying. That's buying on Boom 1000 index. All right, for Boom 500 index, it's selling 0.80. It means that the selling continues. Okay, the selling continues now. Now look at it now. It has been going for more than 1, 2, 3, 4, more than 5 minutes now. Now look at the result. This is powerful. This is powerful. Look at the result. This is powerful. Remember, I said is triple top. All right, 1, 2, 3. I can say this, which is the first one here, is just part of this, part of what is going down here. All right, then we have another one here. Then we have another here. So it has been selling. All right. So with this strategy, we can also check out for orders. We can also check out for orders. See, we have something similar here. Now let me use the crosshair so that you can understand more better. See, you see it has been selling, 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 selling. All right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You see it's selling. Let's go for another example. Let's go for another example. Now let me pick one here. You see, boom. See, you see, I can even say from here, just good for scalping. All right. You see, let me now use the crosshair. You see, selling 1, 2, 3, selling, selling, selling. All right, selling, selling, selling. So that serves as resistance to your chart. See, selling, 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 selling. So guys, that's all for this video. That's all for this video. You see, it's massive. All right. So if you like this video and if you like this cheat, I just want you to comment in the comment section below. And if you're also interested in joining the Telegram group to pick freak signals, you can check the description, or you want to talk to me, just chat me on Telegram at Business Plus CEO. I'm gonna respond to you. So guys, thank you for your time. Bye bye. Stay blessed. Merry Christmas in advance.